Alright, so hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make a collection in Shopify. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go on our browser and then of course go into Shopify. And then you will be directed on the main page or the home page or the Shopify account. Then the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the products. Right here, as you can see right there. I want you to click products. And then you will see this collection button right here. So just click collection. And then you will see create collection right here. And once you click create collection, you will be directed here into this page. The first main reason why we're going to create a collection is maybe you're going to create or you're going to organize your store, right? You're going to divide. Let's say for example, you're doing a clothing line or clothing shop. So of course, you want to divide or organize the men's clothes, women's clothes, and of course the kids' clothes. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create a 3 collection for our Shopify store. So you will be asked to create your title, your description, your collection type, your image, and then of course the theme template. You can also do here the search engine listing, so you can also edit that. So going back here on the title, so of course since we're going to create 3 collection, the first thing that we're going to create is women's clothes. So let's say for example that we have here the title of our collection. The next thing that we need to do is to our description. So we're going to create a description about women's clothes. So of course you want to be persuasive in this type of description since you want our customers, our audience to buy our products. So let's just type, you can type whatever you want. So for this example, let's just put here, this is the best clothes in the world. So this is just an example. So you can put your own words right there on the description. So you can change this of course if you want to create a heading, or you can change the size if you want this to be that one. And then of course if we just do the same way another round and then choose heading 2, as you can see right there, we can change the design of our description. You can also change the bold of the text. Of course also you can make it italic. You can also put underline. Then you can also change the color, as you can see right there. So let's change this to, let's say for example, color red. And then as you can see right there, it is now on color red. So you can also change the alignment of the text. So let's say for example, we want to center align the text. If we click that, you will see that the text is centered. And then the next thing that we need to do is we can insert an image of the description. So let's say for example, you want to add an image of an example of your clothes. So maybe let's say for example, you can add an example of your clothes, women's clothes, that you can use to put here on the description. So just click insert image and then just click upload image right here, or you can add from your URL. So just make sure that the ones you're going to put on the URL is yours. So the next thing that we need to do is we can also add insert video right here. So if you just want to add or insert video, just click this one right here, just click the insert video, and then you will now be good to go. Then you can also put insert table. So let's say for example, you're going to put a size guide for the women's clothes. Then you can also use this insert table right here. So you can change or you can edit the table, or you can just insert the image that you have already created. Then that would also work. Then once we click this, you can also edit you can also add bulleted list, numbered list, the outdent or indent, or you can just click the clear formatting right here. And then after that, if you are a programmer, if you know about something programming, or you know how to code or how code works, then you can just click this HTML right there. Then you can change it on your own, so you can customize your own text right there. And then after that, for the collection type, so for the collection type right here, we can do manual and you can also do automated. So for the manual, we're going to put our products here one by one. But for the automated, so if you click automated right here, existing and future products that may match the conditions you set will automatically be added to this collection. So as you can see right there, once you click this automated, this thing will pop up. So for the conditions, if the products must match all conditions, then it automatically added to your collection. If you click any condition, that would also work. So for the product tag, once we click it, so let's say for example that the product title or all of the women's product have the title of women's clothes, then it will automatically added to women's clothes section. Then let's say for example about category, so let's say for example the category, you have set the category of your women's clothes into something, then it will automatically added to your account, into your collection. So you just click this right here and then just find, so let's say for example you want to add it to health and beauty, so just click it, and then you can also add another condition right here. So you can also do that so that it will automatically added to your collection. So the next thing that we will see right here is the image. Of course you will see the image. So in this image you will add all the examples or all of the examples of your clothes. So let's say for example a picture of a woman wearing one of your clothes, so you can also add here on the image right there. You can also put the image right there so that they will see how would it look on someone. They will have a reference once they buy it. So going here on the theme template, once you click this, you will have this theme template right here, but as of right now I only have the default collection, and then I will just leave it as it is. And then going down, you will see the search engine listing. So you will see this women's clothes. So this is what will look like when we search our product on any browser. So this is what it will look like. So you can also edit that. So you can edit the SEO title. So let's say for example your Shopify store is called streetswear, so you can put it right there, and then you can also edit the SEO description. So I will just leave it as it is, but you can also of course change that. And then once you're done with this, just make sure and check all of this if this is correct. And then when it is done, just click save. And then if you go here on the products, if you click products, and as you can see right there, the women's clothes that we have created is already created. So the next thing that we need to do is of course add the products, since we chose manual. So what we're going to do is to click this on women's clothes again. So as you can see right there, I don't have any products in this collection yet. So what we're going to do is to click browse, or you can just search for products that you want to add right here. And then if you click this browse right here, this page will pop up, and then just add all of the products that you want to put in women's clothes, and then you're now good to go. So just click add right here once you're done, and then it will now be organized, and then all of the women's clothes will now be put here on the women's clothes collection. So since we're going to create 3, the next thing that we need to do is to create for men's collection. If you just want to do it again, so let's put men's clothes, and then let's say for example we are now done with this, so just click save. Then as you can see, we have now created men's clothes collection, and if you click on the collections again, we can now see it on our collection. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.